Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Again, welcome new members to join our professional team. Okay, to communicate new people and earn commissions. Okay, first you must click here. This link you will find into the description of this video. Join my team and get extra bonus. Okay, for example, I am just clicking here. After clicking here, this will open here and just fill this. Okay, as you will see here, this is my member, this is my ID and position is right. Okay, and type fill this form and automatically add it into my team and get team bonus, extra profits. Okay, union is strength. In this way, union is strength. You will get your downline or upline members and get team bonus, everything. Okay, today I am showing you how to activate your account after depositing Pamafunds.ai. Okay, company. After depositing funds, how to activate it. Okay, see, I am activating now. Just click here. This is my user ID. After signing in, as you will see here, currently my package plan is 0 and account wallet balance, everything is 0. Just my fund wallet balance is $50 and purchase wallet balance is 106. Okay, $50 is my fund balance. Okay, fund wallet balance and purchase wallet balance. See, I will use both of them to activate my package plan. See how to do this. Okay, many new investors are confusing how to use new back office of Pamafunds.ai and how to activate package plan after depositing funds. Okay, see how to do this. I will use both balances, purchase wallet balance and fund wallet balance, to activate my account. Okay, this is my registration links. Okay, use these links to register your account. Okay, see my user ID and position left and right. This link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, click and register your account to automatically add it into my team and get team bonus. You will extra profits for team bonus. Okay, now I am activating my account. See how to do this. As you will see here, here is an option that is wallet, purchase wallet. Just click here and purchase package. Click here. Okay, after clicking purchase package, as you will see here, this window will appear. Select your country. Okay, okay, as you will see here, minimum package plan is $100. Okay, for activating, just click here, select your country. Okay, or if any country or franchise is available according to your account, then select that. If not available, you can select any one of them. That's not problem. Select any country, okay, as you want. Okay, but in this case I am selecting, for example, US, UK or UAE. Any country you can select it. Okay, for example, I am selecting UAE. See what franchise is available for UAE. Okay, after selecting UAE, see franchises available. There are many franchises available, country franchise. For example, I am selecting Pamafunds. Okay, after selecting Pamafunds, then select, okay, Pamafunds. Okay, it's not mandatory, you can select any country. Okay, and franchise country or state franchise, that's not problem. Okay, and second step is your fund wallet or multiple wallet. I am selecting here multiple wallet. As you will see here, here is showing 50% amount deduct from fund wallet and remaining from other wallets. Okay, but in this case my fund wallet balance is 108, but I can invest only $50. Why? Because my fund wallet balance is $50 only. Okay, if I am typing here, for example, first I am seeing my user ID. Okay, as you see here, this is my user ID. I am pasting my user ID. Okay, now checking my user ID. This is available. Yes. Okay, Mohammed Abdullah is top of ID. Okay, name is checked, everything correct. This is user ID. Double check it. Okay. Now, for example, I am typing here 106 my purchase wallet. If I am typing here 106, see what happens. Okay, package wallet is valid, but here is showing, as you will see here, 106. You can activate $53 into your purchase wallet. Okay, it's okay, 106 balance, but here is total balance is $50, not 53. Then you cannot activate at this time. Minimum amount to invest $100. $50 multiple 50. Okay, 50% $50 multiple wallet, $50 fund wallet. But my fund wallet balance is $50. I cannot invest 53, so I am typing here just 100. See what happens. Now I can activate it. Okay, fund wallet is $50, purchase wallet is $50. Okay, in this way you can activate. Click here to confirm it. Everything is correct. User ID. Okay, now at this time click here to confirm it. Activation done successfully. Okay, in this way you, after depositing, you can activate your account. As you will see here, appointment to Pamafunds $50, and online purchase $250. Now click here dashboard. As you will see here, before that it's 0. Now it's showing here total purchase $100. Okay, my fund wallet is 0 and my purchase wallet is $56 is remaining. Okay, I can use this amount to upgrade my package plan. Okay, but minimum $100 is activation. Okay, I can upgrade that way. If my fund wallet is $50, then I can upgrade $100 to my this package plan. Okay, I hope you will understand how to activate your package plan after investment. Okay, either you can use only fund wallet to activate your account. Okay, either you are using both balances, purchase wallet balance or fund wallet balance. Okay, this balance is old back office of Pamafunds.net website. I have transferred to this. Okay, after that I deposit $50 fund wallet using my BTC. Okay, in this way. Okay, you can also directly deposit. Okay, if you want to directly deposit or head funds into your Pamafunds.ai okay account, just click here add funds. Okay, then you can deposit using your BTC wallet or another wallet. Okay, then activate your account. In this case I have activated my account using both wallets, fund wallet balance and purchase wallet balance. Okay, I hope you will understand. Okay, Pamafunds.ai new back office website and all of about activation. Okay, thanks.